Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe down below. Check out my other socials, check out my OnlyFans, and pretty much anything that you can find. Follow me, subscribe, check out my main channel, Ash Vlog Self Made. So today I am going to be showing you guys how to make a caramel salted iced latte at home, how to make the espresso without an expensive espresso machine or having to go out during this time, during this pandemic. I know that people are going out, but we still have to be safe and take precaution and not go out all the time. So I wanted to kind of show you guys how I make my coffee and what I do, what I use, the products I use, the stuff I use to make the coffee in, and how to foam my milk. So with further ado, you can also do this with hot coffee as well. You don't need to do it iced. I just like iced lattes better. So I wanted to show you guys, especially with summertime coming around, how to make iced lattes at home that will still taste really good, just like going to the coffee shop. So with further ado, make sure you watch the video all the way through, and here we go. What you're gonna need to make the espresso for the latte. Okay, so you are going to need something like this. This is really like easy. You could put it away. You don't have to worry about a big mess or something big on your counter. You can just put this away, store it in your cabinet, and then take it out whenever you want to use it again. So you put the water in the bottom chamber, which I already have, and then you stick, I like to use Starbucks espresso, or I also like to use Bustelo, which you can find $2 or $3 at the regular supermarket, and you can find it for $1 at, like, it's like a little brick. It's yellow, and you can find it for like $1 or $1.50 at Walmart, but I am using Starbucks today. I love how that Starbucks taste is. I like the, because they burn their beans, so it tastes like it's been roasted in a fire or something, and I love that taste. It's so good and rich, and it tastes like real coffee. So I am going to actually open this up, and going to use like a little teaspoon. You can use a scooper, you can use whatever you want, but I'm using a teaspoon, and I'm going to put the bag on an angle like so, so that way there's little to no mess. So I'm going to put about 3 scoops for myself, just to get some suction in there. But once you start seeing it foam up, you can go slow. And you can find these products either on Amazon, Walmart, wholesale places, but I would stick with Amazon or Walmart just because you could find deals. I am going to upgrade to a small espresso machine soon, one day, with a steamer on it and a frother. But for now, this is what I'm using, and it works so awesome. And you can make 2 cups out of it, but I'm going to put the whole thing in this cup, big cup. Now, if you have a cup like this, it's probably better because it's like you're drinking, it's normalcy. You're drinking, you know, cafe coffee at home. So that's awesome too. And you can find these kinds of cups on Amazon too, since everybody's, you know, trying to shop online and trying to prevent things from being, you know, happening or getting sick. So I'm just going to pump this for a few more minutes till that thing heats up and pushes up the coffee or espresso. Alright, so this is pretty much done. So I'm going to put this in my cup slowly. You want to put it in slowly so it stays foamish. And that's good. And then I'm going to add some sugar to this. Okay, so that's good for me. And then what I might do is I'm gonna put the rest of my caramel that I have. I don't have much caramel, but I want to put a little bit because I'm gonna make a caramel salted iced latte. So I have a little bit of caramel. I'm going to take a spoon and just take it out. Okay. So that's pretty much all I can get. So I'm going to put a little milk in the caramel bottle. Put this top on. And shake, shake, shake. Alright, so now I'm going to put the rest of the caramel in there, just to give it that caramel taste. Okay. So now what I'm going to do is I am going to add coarse sea salt. So I'm going to put a little bit in my hand. A little bit in my hand. Your salted caramel latte. So this is the sea salt, and you can get any caramel that you like, basically. I use Smucker's. Alright, so now my coffee is done. Basically it boiled, and you don't even have to open up the lid. You could just put it in there like so. Just like that. And that's good. I'm gonna take my spoon, mix it up a little bit, take out that, and then just put my ice. 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 Baby. Ice. Ice. Baby. Ice. Ice. So you could put however much you want of ice and stuff like that, but this is just how much I do it. Then I just push the ice down a little bit. You don't want to like make it watery or melt right away, you know what I mean? You want to have that flavor of the coffee and the frothy milk. And that's what it looks like. I think that's beautiful. Now for the taste test. Mmm. Really, really good. Hint of caramel, a little sugar, a little salt, froth, and the coffee. All the flavors tied into one. It tastes so good. And yeah, so that is how you make a bougie cafe coffee at home during this time. And it's easy and it's cheap and you don't have to worry about going out and risking yourself and others. So here is my coffee. So another thing that you can do is you can make cinnamon rolls as an activity and like keep busy, and you know, it could go with your coffee, like just to have some normalcy. So it's like something you can do like you would get out of a coffee shop, like you would get like a Cinnabon or you know, whatever else they have there. So I got these just to have some normalcy with some coffee. So we're gonna open them. I already preheated the oven, sprayed this down, and yeah, these are just activities you could do at home to keep yourself busy. You could do it with your kids, your other half, yourself, like I am. Just to eat with your, you can even eat these at night for dessert. You can eat them in the morning. You can eat them with your coffee. So it's something else that you can do. And my next video is actually going to be me making brownies with a little cream cheese on top, just like Starbucks has. Oh my god, I'm scared that this is going to pop. Okay, so... Oh, that scared me. Okay, so the little ones only come with like a couple. These are kind of like more for like on the go, or like if you only want to just want a couple. I am going on a diet soon, actually, so I'm going to take you guys on that journey as well. When I was little, I used to want to eat these, just the dough, and nobody would let me. Okay, so there is 5 little not biscuits, but 5 little cinnamon rolls. You can spray it down with oil or whatever. Or you could get like a non-stick pan. I just sprayed it down with oil on top of tin foil so it's less cleaning up to do. And then it comes with a little icing cup. So the oven is pretty much preheated. I'm going to leave it there so it's not messy. The oven's pretty much preheated, so I'm just going to put this in the oven. And then that's one thing you can do. The other thing that I wanted to do was make brownies. I have ready-made brownies by Pillsbury, but I think I need the little liners that, because you're supposed to make cupcakes out of them or muffins, and I don't think I have the liners for that. So I can always include that in another video. So when these are done, I am going to show you guys how I put the icing on, and then yeah, so stay tuned. Now, like even within the next hour, I'll just nuke them in the microwave for a minute, for like literally 10 seconds, and kind of get the icing to get melty again. But yeah, so I just put a little bit on each. And then, that's pretty much it. Like, this is just something you could do. You could bake, even if it's like a ready-made stuff, you could bake all day long. You could make your coffee for some normalcy. You know, there's a bunch of other activities too that you can do. Like, you really could just start a YouTube channel. I literally started with my phone and then just, you know, leveled up as time went on. So you just gotta start doing your YouTube, or doing something, you know, something to keep productive and whatnot. I do YouTube, and YouTube takes up most of my time. It literally takes like 90% of my time, but I'm staying busy, and it's a job, and it's fun, and you can be creative, you know what I mean? So yeah, that's pretty much it. These are the activities that you can do at home just for some normalcy. And on top of it, you get your little cafe, like going to a cafe type of thing, you know? So yeah. Hang on. So that's pretty much it for the Alright guys, I hope that you really enjoyed this second video, and it's going to be 2 videos in one, but I really hope that you enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe, check out my other socials, and start a YouTube channel. Do something that you really want to do that you haven't been able to do since, you know what I mean? Do whatever your heart desires and do whatever your dreams were and try to accomplish those dreams, no matter what it is. This is just something that I love doing. I've been doing it for 1.5 years now, and I just absolutely love being a YouTuber. I mean, like I said, 90% of my time I do videos, and I have over 200 videos up, you know, and now I have a second channel, and I love being creative. So do something that makes you happy. So with that being said, I hope that you guys enjoy this video, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye. I don't know what that's gonna do, but I feel like I'm pumping butter. I'm pumping butter. Yeah. I literally have to tell my mom not to mix it because she mixes it. Oh, just make so much right up. Oh shit, the ice is melting, the ice is melting, the ice is melting. It's literally so good. Yes. I don't know if you ever were a little kid and you ate something really good and you used to dance around your kitchen like that's right. Anytime I would eat something, I would bye. 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 Okay, I gotta get